Looking to change your career? Study health and social care with UK Versity online and start a respectable job in the healthcare sector and the NHS. Our courses are designed to give you the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in this rewarding field. And you can do it all online, from the comfort of your own home. And the best part? Our courses cost just 1/6 of university fees, so you can earn your degree without taking on any debt. Our flexible and accessible courses are designed to fit your existing commitments. And with experienced tutors and all learning material provided, you'll be supported every step of the way. Plus, with no exams, assessment is via assignments. Start and finish anytime. Study ATHE and OTHM courses that are OFCL accredited and are globally recognized. All courses lead to degree progression at university via the top-up route. Study with UK Versity, where 600+ learners have completed the healthcare courses successfully and landed their dream job in NHS.